Yo, SwaggyC vlog current status. I was having a great day, and I'm still having a great day. This stupid lady just crashed my car. Like, bro, I'm going straight. She's coming straight. She tried to take a right, realized it was a one-way street, then tried to make a fast U-turn and cut me off and go this way and crash my car. She had a 1997 Ford Explorer. This is a 2020 Model X. She fucked my car up. Just the front of it. Then she gonna hop out the car and say, I don't got insurance. Like, I'm sorry. Like, you got chains on and you got a Tesla Model X. It seems like you're rich. You can just pay it off, right? I would if it was my fault. It's not my fault. I need information. I need something. Not like, I don't care how much money I got. You crashed my car. You messed it up. Talk to me nice. Like, we not. The devil is a lie. Relax, because I'm healthy.